Welcome to my course of PPC for insurance marketing. We're going to talk about bidding strategy, how much to bid for those keywords or results. We just want clean results. So we have auto insurance Las Vegas. Pro tip, you can always, this trend chart is basically a yearly chart of search volume, campaigns, settings, change history. So overview is where you will see your base. The first school of thought is literally your market rate. So here are our keywords, and here we have our top. Take that and you would multiply it by your sale rate. So 500 times sale rate, 20%. This would be your cost per acquisition and audience. Now you can tell your developer to do that, or you could do that by yourself. We're just going to go through the basic way of grabbing this code and putting it on your websites. Unique selling points, switch and save, get a quick quote, smart savings, etc. So call out would be a quick kind of call to action and unique selling point, additional unique selling points. So 30 years in business,